Hi Jerry, what is in your hand, boy?
This is broom and lifter.
Oh, what do you do with this?
With this, we can clean the house.
So, are you going to clean house now?
Yes.
Why? What happened to house?
Now I have finished my bath and the house is dirty.
Oh, then are you going to clean it?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Yes, you're a good boy. Then you do your work.
Okay.
Yes, yeah. Wow. So, what is this, boy?
Vegetable waste.
Okay, clean it. Yes. When did you learn all this work, Jerry?
I have learned in small time.
Oh, so you are doing work for many years together. Okay. So, have you finished sweeping?
No,
Okay, then carry on. Jerry, what is this have you brought here?
this waste.
Waste. Oh. Then what are you going to do with this?
I will throw in the dustbin. No. I will pour in the mango pot.
Mango pot. What is mango pot, Jerry?
In that pot there is a mango plant.
Is it? Okay. Where is this mango pot?
It is upstairs.
Upstairs. Is it on the terrace?
Yeah, in the terrace.
Why are you pouring into that mango pot?
This waste helps to be manure.
Helps to be manure. For whom? For you.
No, for the mango plant.
Is it?
Yeah,
So you have mango plant, really?
really.
Then? So, can you show where is
Yes.
that mango plant?
Yes. The mango pot.
Wow, Jerry, what is this? What is Jerry? Surprising. Okay, so now what are you doing here? This waste? What will you
Now
do?
I am going to pour in it.
Okay, so how will you do? Wow. So, is it what you are doing every day? And this mango tree is growing like this with very. Mouth watering fruit. Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, Jerry. That you are doing something which I think everyone should do it. Isn't?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Jerry, then for this beautiful gesture of love for the nature. Okay, bye bye.
Bye.